Senior prank, senior prank, senior prank!
Here, take a look at this. My hat is filled with them. This is gonna take so long.
How much money are you gonna spend on What crime are you committing?
We're not committing any crime.
Exactly. We're committing the crime of being good consumerists.
Great people.
Of being awesome.
So make sure that you have epilepsy! Stay with me! Get out of the theater! Am I right, guys? Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Listen, I have some coffee points for you. Oh, you're okay, Matt. It's really hot in here, man.
The cash pile. We're scalpers. Yeah, sodas. We sell them for 75 cents.
Oh, I have always wanted to do this. This is already so funny, and we have so much more to go.
Last time.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 9, 60, 61, 62, 63.
64?
We have 63 right now.
64? How many students are in the school?
Okay, so the senior prank is complete. Come take a look.
Dungeon. Come here, let me show you, our creation. As you see here, we've laid them all out. Just for your pleasure. Can I get one?
Yeah, sure, grab one.
Woohoo!
Yeah, you might think Pepsi Blue is really good for you. I really like it, but listen to your quote. It is not good. It's bad. It's weird. It's too blue. I would say Pepsi Blue is too blue. And here's why I would say that. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing that you eat that is that equivalent. Anyone in the audience who has anything that you eat that is that equivalent besides Pepsi Blue? I did not think so, America. That's what I'm saying. Listen to me right now. Pepsi Blue is disgusting. And here's my tip for it. All right, here we go. It does sound a little weird. This might sound a little, I am not I think that's really good for your brain. If you learn anything from this class, I want you to understand Pepsi Blue is too blue.
Grab one! It's the cornucopia!
Yalla! Let's go!
Is that number 69?
People are coming, people are coming! You're not allowed to say anything. Oh, I won't. Your kids for the worst.
Senior prank, we buy out all of the soda! This cost about $40. Holy shit.
Can I get more than one?
Yeah, sure, do whatever you want, man.
Holy shit!
So did you guys already get all the Cokes now?
Well, they're completely out of Diet Coke now and completely out of ginger ale. Senior prank, we buy out all the soda.
What do you guys have left?
We
It's not gonna be enough.
all that's left in there is Sprite and Coke.
Oh my god. Why?
Because it's funny. You gotta admit it's pretty funny.
Yeah.
We're gonna talk about college. Raise your hand if you think you're going to college in the audience. One person. Clap for him, guys. Are you proud of him or what? Listen, I am overjoyed for this man. And here's the thing, though. I am also not, because college, hear me out. It is expensive. And I know, like, you might think, oh, my education, it doesn't matter how expensive it is because it's useful for my future. It's a lie! It's a lie! It's a lie! It's all 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 a lie!
Hey, Zoe!
Damn, what we gotta do it down there?
We're back.
You're banging?
They're buying all the soda.
Why?
Senior prank!
Gotta spend money.
How much does it cost to buy all of them?
We've spent about $40 so far.
Spend $40.
That's all I got.
Holy
She got me a magnet. Wow.
What's down there?
funny?
There's so many other things you can do with your time. You might think, oh, what else am I going to do with my time? Sit in my house, go to work? No! The world is full of opportunities. It's full of experiences. And you just have to get out there and do them, man. There are not 2 paths. There are 17 paths. Maybe more. I don't know. I have not counted them all. But I'm sure there are more than 2. So listen to me. You could get a college. You could not. Really, it's not your, it's not, okay. If someone checked that camera's on manual every time, it's not manual, man. I would be really happy about it. You could be brighter, but I don't really know. Hey, can someone else talk for a minute? Here, say something for a minute. Alright, so here's my next talking point.
I thought they said there were only 2.
Nah, there's infinite, man. It's a cornucopia.
That's fucking insane.
There's so many.
I'm taking one from this though.
File all these?
Yes.
Oh my god, that's awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome, you're welcome.
$20 I spent on this. Well worth it.
I think so, yeah.
This is such a-
Success.
this is
Cheers.
so good.
Just like that, our school year is over.
Shit, never mind.
2 of the best days to ever have occurred at the high school brought to the school by us.
Uh-huh,
We were the most successful people to have ever lived.
Hey,
Oh, you checking out the-
Get a soda?
Yeah, I'm gonna go check it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get a soda.
Yeah, just go grab one. Interesting how you're... Why are there...
Come on, grab a soda.
Come on, just grab one.
Get a soda, yeah. Fusion seminar, the Doomsday class, and now this.
It's been fun. I like what you guys have done with the place. Thanks, thanks.
Tuesday hours.